Friends, in this session, I'm solving this circular arrangement problem, the query sent by a student. Here, 8 girls are there and they are sitting around a circular table facing center, right? So let's take up each and every information and we fill up this circular table. I have set 8 positions over here. Now Savita is second to the right of Anjali. Suppose we fix up any position for Anjali, say this, right? Now Savita is second to the right. So Anjali's right is this. So first and second. So this is Savita, right? But is not neighbor of Amita. Savita is second right to the Anjali but is not neighbor of Amita. That means this position cannot be taken by Amita and this position cannot be taken by Amita. Right? Now next is Nisha is third to the left of Amita but not next to Savita. So the position besides Savita cannot be taken by Nisha. Nisha is third to the left of Amita, but she is not next to Savita. So this position even Nisha cannot take, even Nisha cannot take. Okay. Now Nisha is third to the left of Amita, right? So third position, if we see, if we consider Amita over here, then third position to the left is 1, 2, 3, right? So that is the only option available with us because Nisha cannot take this position. So Nisha will be at this position. Nisha is third to the left of Amita. So this is Amita. So left third position. Okay. Now next is Jyoti is second to the right of Rani and third to the left of Meera. Now third position in the left can be if we take from here, so first, second, third, right? This position is open. Then if we take over here, then the third position is not open, right? So Jyoti is second to the right of Rani and third to the left of Meera. So Meera must be at this position and first, second, third position. This position can be taken by Jyoti, right? Now Jyoti is second to the right of Rani. So this must be Rani. So second to the right of Rani must be Jyoti, right? So all the positions are fixed up or except this position. So the eighth girl Radhika will be there. Okay. Now since all the positions you have clearly got, now it's very easy to answer each and every question, right? So let's have a glance on the questions. Now friends, there are 5 questions based on this information, based on this arrangement. So once, whatever the time you are spending in making that arrangement, that will be distributed among these 5 questions, because now it's very easy to solve all the questions, right? Now who is second to the left of Anjali? We can see over here, Anjali, it's left, it's Amita, right? In fact, second to the left of Anjali, so it's Meera, right? That is immediately left, that is second left. So it is Meera, right? So it's Meera. Who is to the immediate right of Nisha? Immediate right of Nisha. Nisha is this. Immediate right of Nisha is Radhika, right? So that's Radhika. Correct position of Rani. Now see the options. Immediate right of Anjali, right, left, right, left. So like we first of all see the correct position of Rani. Rani is this. Like besides Rani, Savita and Anjali, right? Left is Anjali and right is Savita. So let's see. That's immediate right of Anjali. Okay. Okay. Rani's position is immediate right of Anjali. Next is, which of the following pair represent immediate neighbors of Nisha? Now let's see immediate neighbors of Nisha. Immediate neighbors of Nisha, Jyoti and Radhika. So that's Radhika and Jyoti. Okay. Who is immediate left of Savita? Let's see. Immediate left of Savita, it's Rani. So that's Rani. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. Once you are able to make this arrangement, after that, like it hardly takes any time to solve all the questions.